A science was production. Plants are amazing, aren't they? They surround us. They're everywhere. Literally, they're the reason why we're alive. So definitely, the different types of plants is a topic worth learning about. So why don't we go ahead and explore the different types of plants? The different types of plants by the Science Viz. Before we dive into this interesting topic, we'll have to explore the anatomy or the insides of a plant's stem first. Let's learn about vascular tissues. What really are vascular tissues? You mean these tissues? Not really, the ones in the plants, you mean. Vascular tissues are two types of tissues inside plants. They are phloem and xylem. Xylem transports water and minerals from the roots up to the leaves, whereas phloem mainly transports sugars such as glucose, sucrose, and fructose throughout the plant. Now that we know what the anatomy of a plant stem is, let's finally go ahead and learn about the various types of plants. Plants are split into two categories, the ones which have vascular tissues and the ones which don't. The ones which have vascular tissues are known as Tracheophyta. The Tracheophyta, the plants which have vascular tissues, are broken into two categories, the ones which produce seeds and the ones which do not produce seeds. The ones which produce seeds are again broken into two categories, Angiosperms and Gymnosperms. Angiosperms are plants which grow flowers, aka they are flowering plants. Gymnosperms are conifers, or basically triangle-shaped trees, like your Christmas tree and your fir. In the plants which do not produce seeds, there is only one category, the Pteridophytes, commonly known as ferns. Now that we've explored the plants which have vascular tissues, or the Tracheophyta, let's go ahead and explore the plants which don't have vascular tissues. The plants which don't have vascular tissues only have one subcategory, the Bryophytes. These are mosses and liverworts, which are basically found in moist, cool, and shaded areas. Some examples of angiosperms are wattles, irises, lilies, and daffodils. Some gymnosperm examples are the fir tree, the cypresses, and the cedar tree. Some pteridophyte examples are field horsetail, Microsorum pteropus, Osmunda regulus, and the ostrich fern. Moss is an example of bryophytes. Now let's explore the types of plants based on the type of food they eat. Let's now classify plants based on the types of food they eat. Heterotrophs. These are plants which survive mainly on eating other animals, especially insects. These plants include the pitcher plant and the Venus flytrap. Let's now look at the autotrophs. These are basically plants which you see around you every day. They are photosynthesis plants. I hope, my friends, that you have now fully understood the system of categorizing plants. Please watch the Science Viz other videos and documentaries, and also, never forget to subscribe. A Science Viz production.